Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of WordPress. I'm Trevor, and today we're diving into a critical topic: how to secure your WordPress website from hackers. 30,000 websites are hacked every day, and with cyber threats on the rise, it's essential to protect your site. So this video is meant to highlight the most important things to focus on. It's not a step-by-step guide, but it will point you in the right direction. Let's get started. Section 1. Keep everything updated. Update WordPress Core. Always keep your WordPress core up to date. WordPress frequently releases security patches and updates. Update plugins and themes. Outdated plugins and themes can be a gateway for hackers. Regularly update them to the latest versions. Delete unused plugins and themes. If you're not using a plugin or theme, delete it. Less clutter means fewer vulnerabilities. Next up, strong passwords and user permissions. Use strong passwords. Create complex passwords using a mix of letters, numbers, and special letters. Next, limit user permissions. Assign appropriate roles to users. Not everyone needs admin access. Next up, firewalls and security plugins. Install a firewall. Firewalls act as a barrier between your site and potential threats. Consider using reputable security plugins with a built-in firewall. Use security plugins. Plugins like Security or WordFence offer comprehensive security features including malware scanning and brute force protection. Next up, backups. So regular backup. Regularly back up your entire WordPress site. If something goes wrong, you can restore your site quickly. Next, offsite backups. Store backups in a secure offsite location like a cloud service. It adds an extra layer of protection. Next up, SSL certificate. Implement SSL. An SSL certificate encrypts data between the user's browser and your server. It's a must-have for any WordPress site, especially e-commerce platforms. Next up, let's talk about two-factor authentication. So enable 2FA. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of identification beyond just a password. Next up, file permissions and database security. Secure file permissions. Set proper file permissions to prevent unauthorized access. Next up, database security. Change the default table prefix and regularly monitor your database for suspicious activities. Next up, monitor and audit. So monitor activity. Keep an eye on user activity, especially in the admin area. And regular security audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify potential vulnerabilities. So in conclusion, securing your WordPress site is a continuous process, not a one-time task. Stay vigilant, keep everything updated, and don't hesitate to invest in quality security tools. Remember, the safety of your site is paramount to your online success. Do you need help with your WordPress website? We offer monthly support services that include 24/7 speed and security monitoring, backups, upgrades, edits, and unlimited technical support. I'll put a link below to see the full details and sign up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Have any questions or tips of your own? Leave them in the comments down below. Stay safe and happy WordPressing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.